In this video, let us discuss about how the changes in human body occurs at the time of puberty. And as I told you earlier in the previous videos that these changes are happening mainly because of the production of hormones. So first we must know what is a hormone or what are hormones. There are endocrine glands which are present in human which secrete chemical substance in the body. And these chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands are called hormones. These chemical substances are responsible for changes in the human body at the time of puberty. The hormones act as a messenger and are responsible for transporting signals from one cell to the another. Hence, they evoke responses from various organs of the body and tissues. Hormones have certain properties or characteristics such as they are secreted by the endocrine glands, they circulate in the body fluids, they are responsible for regulating the behavior of target cells, they cause long-term effect in the body like change in behavior, change in growth, development of organs, puberty, menopause, etc. Hormones are secreted in limited quantities from time to time when they are required by the body. Different glands present in the body are responsible for secretion of different hormones. The nervous system regulates the flow of hormones in the body. And the endocrine glands are also called as ductless glands because they secrete the hormones directly into the blood. In males, the testis secretes the male hormone or testosterone, and in female, the ovaries secrete the female hormone or estrogen. And now let us discuss in detail about the role of hormones in initiating the reproductive function. The part of the body for which a particular hormone is meant is called as target site. And the endocrine gland secretes the hormone in the blood and it reaches the target site. Then the target site responds accordingly. So hormones from pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to release testosterone in male and estrogen in female. And it releases in the bloodstream and reaches the part of the body that is target site and stimulate changes in the body at the onset of puberty. Now let us discuss in detail about certain hormones other than sexual hormones. Coming to the hormones in detail. Endocrine glands and their function. As I told you, endocrine glands produce chemical substance called hormone which control different functions in the body. The main endocrine gland or pituitary gland, and it controls the growth and production of hormone by testes and ovary. And there are other glands too, which is a thyroid gland which produces thyroxine, adrenal gland which produces adrenaline, pancreas which produces insulin, testis which produces testosterone, and ovary produces estrogen. Now let us discuss in detail about thyroid gland, and it produces the hormone thyroxine. It is found at the front of the neck between the windpipes. It has a brownish red color and secretes a collection of hormone called as thyroid hormone. The thyroid hormone controls the rate of metabolism in body. Lack of thyroxine results in goiter. Coming to the next gland, which is pancreas, and it secretes insulin and glucagon. And the pancreas is almost a 6-inch long gland located behind the stomach. It produces digestive enzymes and insulin. The insulin maintains the glucose level in the blood. The glucagon prevents the insulin level from getting too low in the body. The insulin activates when the body glucose level are high, while the glucagon activates when the blood glucose level are low. Lack of insulin in body leads to diabetes. Coming to the next gland, which is adrenal gland, and it secretes the hormone adrenaline. Adrenal glands have a size almost of a walnut and are located above the kidney. They secrete more than 150 hormones in the human body for various purposes. Adrenaline helps in managing stress as it increases the blood sugar level, dilates the pupil, increases the heart rate, enhances the blood supply to the muscles. It also maintains a balance of salt in the blood. Coming to the masters of the gland, which is pituitary gland, and it secretes all the growth hormone. The pituitary gland has a size as small as pea and is located inside the skull. It is also called as the master gland as it controls the function of all other glands. It also secretes prolactin that stimulates the production of milk. The growth hormone is responsible for growth of a person.